Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I want to show you guys a 2023 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. Let's start on the exterior and then jump onto the inside and see what this thing's got. So to start off with, you'll notice that we have the brand new flat panel fencing in our matte black color, matched with our standard silver railing. So this gives this boat an incredible look on the water. Matching up to your tunes down here, flows all the way bow to stern, and especially with having this dune interior, really gives you a beautiful, beautiful look. So as we start walking towards the stern of this boat, I do want you guys to understand that the Sunliner Sports do also come with your sports tower, giving you the ability to do anything you want on the water, whether that's tubing, wakeboarding, or just trying to be looking cool while you're going down the waterway. Coming back to your stern here, you'll see that we do have our safety rail package back here. This is a vital component of this layout. So that way you can go ahead, put your chains across, and you are legally allowed to ride back here while the vessel is moving down the water. Now also what comes with this is you have a really nice cooler spot to throw all your drinks and whatnot at. You even do have a audio controller for your speakers, as this one has this 6-speaker package with the JL Audio head unit. Also back here, you do have a 120 volt charger, and that is already installed on the boat, ready to go. So that way, when you come out to the boat the next day, your batteries are ready to rock and roll. Lastly, back here in the stern, I want to point out our 175 horsepower Mercury outboard. This engine is incredible, as it is the beginning to the V6 line. Gives you a ton of low end torque, and just allows this motor to do anything that you need it to. Now as we start walking through the cockpit a little bit more, we do have the 3-position lounger on this boat. First position being where you can have the most passengers. This one right here for a little bit more comfortability. Then even being able to drop this down completely flat, so you have a really great place to just hang out and relax back here. Now for the Sunliner Sports, they only come in this layout. Your sun lounger in the back with your dual helm seats. These are the high back dual helm with the cross stitch centers, giving this thing an ultra premium look. Coming over here to your helm station, we actually have a lot of things going on here. So the 175 horsepower has a digital throttle with it and is extremely buttery smooth. Absolute amazing feeling engine. You also do have a Simrad G07. So this is going to give you the ability to check out what's going on with the engine, but then also giving you the ability to click on your chart plotter and see exactly where you're at on the lake. Even lays breadcrumbs down, so that way you can get back to the marina that you're storing your boat at. Now coming up here to the bow, very spacious bow compartment, as you got a lot of storage underneath every single one of these seats, even with your storage locker being in the center tune there. Do notice that from 22 to 23, they actually made this door a lot wider to make it a lot easier access to the boat. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you guys like this video and wanted to get more information, please let us know. Thank you guys for watching.